have no money, okay? But we're gonna go furniture shopping again. Thank God for America, we can shop on credit, so we're gonna shop on credit today. Like what? And the original is $2,000. Two things about this that I don't like. I have kids, and this is not looking good with my 4-year-old.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another KeneishaSays. Guys, guess where I'm at? Come closer. Guess where I'm at? Just guess. I'm gonna show you, alright? So yes, I am at Bob's again. Welcome closer. Don't tell nobody. Tell nobody because I don't have no money, okay? But we're gonna go furniture shopping again. Thank God for America, we can shop on credit, so we're gonna shop on credit today, right? So guys, I've been telling you guys that you've been seeing a lot of these videos for the next for summer, right? So I am redecorating my house. We're starting from, well, you already saw the office video. So now I'm gonna be redoing my basement. We're gonna come all the way up and we're gonna do the living room and the dining room. I'm taking away everything, I'm throwing out everything, I'm doing everything new. So got no money, don't tell nobody, don't tell nobody, don't tell nobody. And do not come for me. I am broke, but we're still doing it. We're still doing it, okay? Because it just needs to be done. Like, there are certain things I need to see things in my place. I need to feel, and it needs to feel like a home. And for every homeowner, or whether or not your parents or not, when you're in your house, you want to feel comfortable, right? And right now, when I look into the house, I'm not seeing me. I'm seeing a lot of things that needs to be done. So we're gonna make it happen. So we're here again. It's another come furniture shopping with me video, and this time we're actually go shopping for couches and a dining table set. I'm hoping that the one I saw the last time. Think about that. Come back, guys. It's almost a year since we did the last video. So it's almost a year since I actually did furniture shopping. It was actually, I want to say last year, October. And we're in July now. So maybe 3 months off. So we're coming back. The last dining table I saw, it was a whole set. And I said I want to come back for that table. And right now I'm in my head, it's already decorated and set up in my house already. So I already have all the decors for that, right? So that's what we're gonna go for. And then the couch that we saw the last time, if you watch my video, see that as well. That's what I'm going for. So let's go inside and see what we can actually find today. All right, fingers crossed. All right. Hi, is Mark here today?
Sorry?
Mark? Yeah.
Mark is right
Hi.
here. How are you?
I'm good. How you doing? Do you remember me?
I don't.
That's not good, Mark.
I know.
That's not good.
What
I'm
is
coming
your
back
phone
and I
number?
found you. No, I'm gonna give you my phone number. You know, you're gonna know. No, you're gonna
Then I'm
know.
gonna know who
No,
you
that's
are.
not good. I want you to see my face and remember me. It's Keneisha, 860.
Keneisha.
Yes. So the last time but I said I was gonna come back for the dining room set. Hopefully you still have it, and the couches.
Okay.
So that's what I'm here for today.
Okay, so let's take a look at the dining room set first.
Yeah, hopefully you still have it, because I already have everything decorated in my mind.
Okay.
I think this is it.
All right.
Is it? No, it's not it. It's not it. It was right here the last time. It had two pieces. It had like similar two pieces like this. The server and this part. It was right here. It was a very huge piece. I think it was going for like $2,000 and something at the time. Do you remember that piece?
Yes.
Do you still have it? All right, guys. guys, he's looking for the dining table. In the meantime, let's look on some couches. Let's see. So I'm liking this one. I think I'll go in black. I think I'll only take 7 pieces. I think I'll do straight across. This stretch. Lightning charger. This is the other one. Pacifica, was that it? Oh, this was the Canyon. This is the Pacific. No?
Sorry.
You guys know, have at least an idea when it will be in store or just done?
It's gone.
Oh,
It's
Jesus.
Gone. It's gone in its entirety.
Anything close to it? Basically, just what's in store is what you guys have?
Yeah, that's going to be about it.
Oh, that sucks. And no whole decor around that set.
Something like this might be close.
And
then it's got the...
nah, it's ugly. I don't like color.
Yeah. What do you think about this, Sophia? This has got some elegance to it. It's got the nice...
I'm looking for brown.
Okay.
I fell in love with the brown, and so I have everything associated. Looking... Not...
What about the cocoa in the back? In the back corner?
That's the only one I think that can go with it, but then I don't like the server. It looks blah. If that makes sense. I can't believe it. Damn, it's not even a year and everything is gone. Two things about this that I don't like. I have kids, and this is not looking good with my 4-year-old. This is just a lot of work for me. And this, I don't know, maybe I can work with this one, but...
We do have the goof proof for the chairs.
What's that?
The goof proof is the 5-year service plan that guarantees against any accidents.
That's extra money that you're telling me about, Mark. You're always telling me about extra money.
Well,
Why are you
it's my job.
I'm trying to find something so I don't spend anything extra. And what I also like, this one also had the extension. Okay. Yeah. You guys have any other chair that go with this?
No, so it's this one or that one.
Or which one? This one?
Well, so this is the swoop chair, and then this
in
is
terms
the
of the
regular dining.
No,
chair.
in terms of the color.
No.
Damn. I'm a little bit disappointed. So now, like the other one had more width and it had more length. And then the chairs were brown too, like completely brown.
Yep, they were.
That's why I fell in love with it. Like it was like perfect. Do you guys have any ideas to anything else coming in stock? Because I don't like to purchase this, and then when I look two months down the line, something else pops up. No.
They don't tell us what's coming.
Oh, it just pops up.
It just pops.
Oh, it's like home goods. Okay. No. Okay, guys. So just in case you have forgotten what I'm actually looking for, this is me last year, October. Looking for, well, kind of just browsing for a dining set, and this is a table that I actually found, fell in love with, and could not find again. But just take a look and tell me what you think.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Let's pause for a second, guys. Do you realize what I'm actually seeing right now? This is the same set that I saw last year that I fell in love with at first sight and did not buy because of the colors. Look at the price. It was actually a little bit more expensive too. So I actually got it at a reasonable price this time. That's $14.99, and what I got it for was actually, I think it was $1,000 and something. So okay, that was my first pick, and then I saw the one that I really wanted and could not get anymore. But yeah, I like this set already. Only thing I'm scared of, the kids and the scholar.
Ah, yes.
But I'm actually, this is what, 8? 6. I need a 6 or 8, but I don't want a bench. Oh, this is beautiful down here. Oh, this is huge.
Yeah.
This is it, guys. This is the freaking table that I've been looking for. Look at it. Look how beautiful this freaking table is. Look at it. Let me show you in color. This is beautiful too.
And it comes with the ability to put an additional leaf.
To get more. This is beautiful. It looks like Goodwood too, and the money is nice. The money is nice. The money matches this. Okay. Hopefully by next year when I need it, it should be less.
I doubt it.
No?
I doubt it.
You don't think it'll be on sale by then? Is it like a complete set?
Yeah, so those are parts of the package. It's
including this?
No, so for the $26.99, you get 4 of these.
Okay.
And 2 of those for the armchairs.
Oh, she only gets 6?
Yeah.
It says 7-piece. Oh, so the 7-piece will be this table. And that's another $229. Oh, okay. Oh, this is beautiful. So I'm gonna start saving from now. I would need maybe 6, 7, 8 chairs, and this piece. I like this piece. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed that when I come back, this is on sale. I'll come back for 8 pieces or 9 in total.
Yeah.
And this one, I don't think I need. This is beautiful, but I don't think I need that. I have that much space for this one. It's gonna be too clustered. That's beautiful. All right. Let's look on the couches in the meantime.
Okay.
Let me kind of think about something. So the last time we spoke, you told me about these recliners, right?
Okay.
That could actually be whatever it is that I want it to be.
Yeah.
So what I'm thinking is, like, I wouldn't want anything curved because it's going straight.
Okay.
So I'm thinking it looks like 1, 2, 3. I think around 5 seats can actually go straight across.
Oh, wow, so that's long.
Yeah. It's like it's like from here to like here.
Yeah.
Roughly 5 seats, right?
Yeah.
So that's what I'm thinking, from the wall to the end right here. Not to the column, but to like right here.
Yeah.
Straight. So like 5 seats.
Yeah. Could probably fit 5 seats.
And then you have like the end tables at the side. I'm trying to visualize it. So I'm thinking I like this material.
Yeah, this is the micro suede. This is very durable, very cleanable. It has a nice feel.
Very childproof.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking more of black, like full black.
So it comes in this gray and that brown.
Oh, no black.
No black.
What do you have that comes in a jet black?
I am not going to have anything. I'm going to have some dark grays. Dark gray and dark brown, but nothing in black. In terms of the sectionals, I've got sofas in black.
You have sofas that has that full length that I'm looking for?
No.
That's a problem.
No, you would have to put 2 sofas next to each other.
Yeah, I'm not trying to do that. This heather, it looks heather gracious. Looks black enough though.
And it actually has the head tilt and USB ports on each end.
How do you get the?
So it's right here.
Okay. Oh, it goes all the way back. Ooh. Okay. I can sleep here.
Yeah, right.
All right, this is good. And you say you have the US port and everything.
USB ports right on the end here.
Okay. Good. And if I do 5, it would just be 5 of these smaller seats, right? Because I wouldn't want the end part.
Okay, yeah. So you can just do 1, 2, and this can be reclining or non-reclining.
Let them all be reclining. Is that extra money to get them all reclined?
Versus the non-reclining, yes.
Yeah.
It's about $100 per chair. Roughly.
So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, it's $100 per chair for the having reclining.
How much is this naturally? $3,499. It's 6 piece. I'm thinking. All right. So I think I'm gonna do like the 2 ends reclinable,
Yep.
and then the middle one's none.
Okay.
So that'll be 5 pieces. And then I'm loving this brown one over here. This, do you have them like separated like this one? I need just like 2 pieces by itself.
For this one,
Yeah, this color and
so I've got this one in this color.
okay.
This recliner in this color.
Oh, it's the same thing. Yeah. So 2 of this in this color.
And then the 5 pieces.
And then the 5 pieces separately.
The 5 pieces of that?
Yep.
Or of this
No,
one?
of this one.
Okay.
Because you don't have this in black. It's just the brown that you have in
Correct.
this one. The 3/4 that I'm seeing on that is just for everything, or it's just for the seats?
It's for it as shown,
Okay.
not the tables. Just in brown.
Yeah. Do I get discounts?
Unfortunately, no.
Mark, you're not helping
I
me.
know.
I'm a returning customer. I wanted to be, so we bring back 'cause I need to know. My loneliness is killing me. I must confess. So this is the one I'm gonna get, guys.
This one so far is in stock, available.
Okay. Alright, so I think I want to work with those. I'm still contemplating the dining table. I'm really scared of the chairs. I don't want to get covers for it. You're gonna ruin the beauty of that. And you have the option of getting this or that, or can you get both? Just like what they're
you can
set
get
up.
it just like it's shown. All these kind of chairs,
Mhm.
it's going to be $9.99. On the ends and the 4 dining chairs for $10.99.
And then if I need the server, this comes with it, right? If you, well, it's a set.
Yeah, it's part of the collection.
But okay. The other one looks so much better. Oh, you got like a wine.
Yeah, yeah. I love the mirrors on it and the etching. It's nice.
I know my mind was just so set on the other one. This is silver. So my head is with gold, and like the whole decor is with gold and brown, and I gotta change that up. Okay. All right. Well, let's do this. Let's do this set.
Okay. As shown with the 2 swoop chairs and the 4.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm just gonna settle with this one.
And we want to do the server as well.
Yeah. Alright guys, so if you went ahead and watched my first video, you will see the table that I'm talking about. So they don't have it, so I'm gonna go with this one, and hopefully it do I guess. Had everything set up in my mind for gold and brown. It has silver on it, so I may have to redo the whole idea. See, every time I come to you, Mark, I have an idea in my head.
I got you.
And so it's just like with the bedroom set, I had to change a couple things. So I guess I have to tweak some things too with this one. But okay, let's do this. That's the last thing. Let's do that.
Okay.
That's it.
So, what is your telephone number? So it has the pull-down console, and so in the 3 middle seats, it'll have this and the wireless charger.
Oh, okay. That's a hidden secret right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Anything hidden under here? Oh.
That's the USB port on the end, so you can plug it into the end, or you can just set it right here.
All right. So what about this set? Does it come with this part naturally?
Nope, it
Based
doesn't
on how
come
it's
with
gonna
that.
set up?
You can add the consoles, but it doesn't come with the consoles.
Okay. But with the one that doesn't recline naturally comes with this.
Nope, comes with this.
That's what I'm talking
Comes
about.
with this, yeah.
Okay.
Manager Matt, center solar, please. Manager
Alright.
Matt, center solar.
That's a hidden secret right there.
It's a nice feature.
We're loving this, and I'm loving. But this one is only in brown, no gray. Do you have this in gray too?
It comes in this light gray.
Oh, that light gray. This one has a hidden thing too?
No.
No. Oh, this naturally just come with the.
Correct.
So wait, hold up. This is a console that I would have to add separately.
Yes, you would have to add that console.
So differently would not have a cup holder for it by itself. And then these don't come in any cup holders either, huh? I just realized that. These don't come in any cup holders.
I have some in black.
You have some of these in back?
I
Okay.
have something similar in black that does come with cup holder.
Oh, these are cute. Yep.
Yeah, and I have my round table.
Storage.
Okay. Oh,
Nice.
okay.
And it has the head tilt.
Oh, this one is more expensive too.
Yeah.
There's a reason for that,
Mhm.
right?
Okay, the Jackson from Stone Floor.
You're busy today, huh?
It seems that way.
I'm thinking, how much is it for the double itself?
For the double, it is 2,000.
2,000 versus 12,900. Yeah, okay. I think I'll do the double inside because where I'm going to put it, it's going to be right beside each other.
So instead of the
two single
two
ones.
single ones, we're going to do this one.
Yeah. I wouldn't have to put anything there. Yeah, I'll do this one instead. Has a cup holder. It has the storage in here. I wouldn't have to put in a table between because the idea was to put a table in between, but since it's have everything, it'll be $12.99 times 2 for that one. Okay.
Alright, so we're going to do this one.
Mm-hmm. So these don't come in like in the 5-piece if I wanted it in 5 pieces? Okay. Okay.
Do you mind if I just take a second? I'm
No
just going
problem,
to
go
go
ahead.
greet them, and then I'm going to tell them that I'm working with you, and I'll be right back.
No problem. Alright guys, so I'm a little bit conflicted. So this one is $2,000 versus this one that is $1,299. Right? That's for one single one. These two with this is $2,000. Now the idea was to put 2 single pieces together with a table in between for the lounge area. That will be down by the basement, right? I'm going to show you guys. You'll have to see what I'm showing you. But this is for the lounge area in the basement along with my living room and the dining room, right? So if I do the love seat instead of the singles, then that means I can get this cheaper. So I think I'm going to go with that. Oh, sorry, you're back.
Here's when they arrive about a week later. Or I can deliver it all at once.
Let's wait for everything to come. How long do you
Like
think
the
this
middle
would-
of the month, like the 15th.
Okay, so we can do everything all at once. The only thing I would need sooner would be the love seat. Is that here I'm doing first?
Okay.
The others we can actually wait. Is that a problem to have that deliver first and then? Okay. Hi. I'm good.
Matt, this is Keneisha. Keneisha, this is my manager, Matt.
Hi, Manager Matt.
Matt is working on my other customer.
Okay. I didn't even check if you have anything in the outlet. Why would I just jump on that and not even double check your outlet? Why would I do that?
So the outlet doesn't come with delivery.
Okay.
You have to pick it up yourself, and it doesn't come with any warranties.
Okay, so check out the outlet and see what I have in here. Alright, you have them love seats here with just around there, so. And this lasts you all $519. Alright. You see, I have them black seats with them also. Hello, I'm good. How you doing? This is the same thing I just saw on there. What's wrong with this?
This one?
Mm-hmm. Is it on your
The right part doesn't work.
Oh.
It doesn't recline. So if you buy it, it's pretty much going to just be there as a chair.
As a seat.
You won't be able to recline it.
Gotcha. Okay. It's cheap, $449. Like what? And the original seats are $2,000.
Yeah. Been here for a minute, that's why.
Oh really? Oh, you keep slashing like what, every week or so?
Every week the price will be.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna continue looking. Thank you. It's a love seat for the brown one over here, so. This one I could just go, but see, this is what I don't like. To the outlet. It'll go right back. I cannot do this. Because I'm leaving this for right now. Can't afford it. But I'm gonna still take the table and that set over there. So I'm just making some payments and then I'll be on my way. Just look cute. So guys, I am out. So everything that I wanted I wasn't able to get. I got the table, the server, and the couch. So I was not there. You see that one that I showed you for the one I was in the outlet area? That's a $400 and something, right? And I'm thinking that if I get that, that can actually do it. It has just one recliner, but it's $400 and something versus $2,000. So the only downside to that is, apart from the fact that one of the recliner section, the right side, I think is not working. They don't have the power cord. But I took a picture of the power cord. If I can actually get it on Amazon, then I'll come back and I will get the love seat. If not, then the couch that I have on the upstairs in the living room right now, it's a sectional, but I'll see if I can actually have it work in the downstairs until I can actually come back for the love seats for that part. So I'm gonna go home and kind of just pencil out some things and see how that works out. I had to pay out of pocket right now for some stuff. Don't have no money, but I had to do that in order to get me some stuff, so I had to sacrifice. So I'm gonna have to look back and see how well I can actually get some things done, because I need to get my house together. So I'm gonna go home, go do a 1, 2, and so yeah. All right, so this is the short furniture shopping video. But thank you for watching. If you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe, guys, please go ahead and do so. And I'll see you guys. Bye bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.